The Assam government has taken extensive measures to ensure the safety of its citizens in the wake of the impending increase in rainfall and wind speeds due to cyclone Remal. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority (ASDMA) in a press statement informed that it has ramped up preparations along with other departments, agencies and district administrations to face any eventualities arising out of heavy rainfall and winds due to Remal. Nodal officers of ASDMA and Revenue and Disaster Management departments convened a series of meetings with all District Disaster Management Authority on May 25th to review the preparedness of the DDMAs for Cyclone Remal. National Disaster Response Force teams are already prepositioned in Cachar, Bongaigaon and Dibrugarh. The Fire and Emergency Services headquarters have kept all state disaster response force teams and fire stations ready according to the press release by Assam State Disaster Management Authority. ASDMA has directed all the DDMAs to review the situation and as per need, plying of boats may be regulated in the mainstream of the Brahmaputra River on May 27th and 28th, particularly in Dhubri, Gwalpara, Bongaigaon and Borpeta districts and also Barak and Kusiara rivers in Barak Valley and districts. The Guwahati Municipal Corporation has ensured the desiltation removal of fine silt and sediment of major river channels like Bhorolu, Bahini, Bashishtha, Mora Bhorolu and Lokhimijan along with other major drains. Super sucker machines and pumps with additional manpower have been mobilized as well. Meanwhile, further anticipatory evacuation of vulnerable populations from landslide-prone areas in Guwahati, Kamrup, Dima Hasao, Cachar, Karimganj, Hailakandi, Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts may also be considered. Necessary action regarding the availability of emergency medicines, health facilities staff and necessary communication as per SOP and the action plan for flood has been activated by the Health Department. The Forest Department along with the officials of DDMAs had also served notices to the illegally encroached areas and instructed the inhabitants to shift to a safer zone. The Irrigation Department has also issued instructions to keep the regulator gates open to ensure the free flow of high flood water. Meanwhile, the RMC Borjhar has issued warning for squally wind with speed up to 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60 kilometers per hour, accompanied with heavy to very heavy with extremely heavy rain in isolated places over Gwalpara, Dima Hasao, Cachar and Karimganj. Warning has also been issued to watch for squally wind with speed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60 kilometers per hour, accompanied with heavy rain in isolated places over Bongaigaon and thunderstorm with lightning and gusty with wind speed 30 to 40 km per hour and heavy rain that is very likely to occur at isolated places over Baksa, Kamrup, Kamrup Metro, Dorong, Udalguri, Morigaon, West Karbi Anglong and Karbi Anglong.
तटीय बांग्लादेश और निकटवर्ती तटीय पश्चिम बंगाल के ऊपर चक्रवाती तूफान रिमाल पिछले 6 घंटों के दौरान 8 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे के साथ लगभग उत्तर की ओर बढ़ गया और आज 27 मई 2024 को 11:30 बजे अक्षांश 23 डिग्री उत्तर और देशांतर 89.2 डिग्री ईस्ट बांग्लादेश और निकटवर्ती पश्चिम बंगाल के ऊपर मोंगला जो कि बांग्लादेश में है, यहाँ से लगभग 65 किलोमीटर उत्तर पश्चिम में, कैनिंग पश्चिम बंगाल में है, वहाँ से 100 किलोमीटर उत्तर उत्तर पूर्व में, उसी तरह से कोलकाता पश्चिम बंगाल में जो है वहाँ से 110 किलोमीटर उत्तर पूर्व में, खेपुपारा बांग्लादेश से 150 किलोमीटर उत्तर पश्चिम और ढाका बांग्लादेश से 150 किलोमीटर दक्षिण पश्चिम पर केंद्रित था। सिस्टम के उत्तर उत्तर पूर्व की ओर बढ़ने की संभावना है और आज 27 मई 2024 की शाम तक धीरे धीरे डीप डिप्रेशन में कमजोर होने की संभावना है।
Light to moderate rain is likely to occur in most places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura.